Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I make hot pepper shrimp. So this is Jamaican style hot pepper shrimp. So if you are interested in seeing how I make my hot pepper shrimp, stay tuned to the video. So here I have my shrimp. So this is a whole shrimp, and I have already washed it with lime. So I washed it in some lime water. And here I have my olive oil. So I'm gonna add some olive oil, coat the shrimp with olive oil. Just to help the seasoning stick better to the shrimp itself. And in here I have a mixture of seasoning. So I have Old Bay, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning. So I'm just gonna mix this up and then add it. So it's about, so I'll add about two tablespoons of seasoning. And then to that I will add some onion, some scallion. So this is about 2 stalks of scallion, some garlic, and this is 5 cloves of garlic, and 1 hot pepper. So this is 1 hot Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm just gonna stir this all up. And this is about 2 pounds of shrimp. So I don't want mine too hot, so I only use 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. You can use more if you'd like, it's up to you and your taste. So we're just gonna mix this all up. So we're gonna get this on the fire after it sits and marinate for about a half an hour. So I'm gonna let this sit for a half an hour before I put it. So I have my pot here, so I'm just gonna add some olive oil to it. And then this is the shrimp. Gonna be adding the shrimp, the seasoned shrimp. Smells so good, you guys, and the pepper is strong. Even though it's only one pepper I put in there, it's so strong. So I'm gonna let this kind of cook down for about 10 minutes. Medium heat. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of red food coloring. So I mixed a 1/4 cup of water to some red food coloring, and this is the liquid food coloring, so it's the red liquid food coloring. What gives it the red color that we're so used to. So this is a very, very popular Jamaican street food. then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add just a little bit more seasoning to this. So just a little bit more seasoning. And stir. So I'm gonna cover this up again and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Okay, I already feel the pepper in my nose. So let's take a look at it. Yes guys, it's cooking down really nicely. Really nicely. Hot pepper shrimp. So I'm just gonna let it go for another 5 minutes just for it to dry out a little bit more. Yes guys, this is looking good. Gonna cover it and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Guys, it's cooking down real nicely.
Did you kill it though?
Okay guys, so this is it. Our hot pepper shrimp. Yes guys, this is nice, lovely. So here you go guys. This is my Jamaican hot pepper shrimp. So I hope you're able to follow along with this recipe and enjoy this Jamaican hot pepper shrimp. If you guys want an exact measurement of the seasonings that I use, just leave me a comment down below and then I could leave that in the description box. So just let me know if you're interested in getting the exact measurements for the seasonings that I use to create this hot pepper shrimp. So thank you guys for watching my video. So stay tuned to my channel for more videos like these. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video.